Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making small axe peppers wings on the Weber kettle together with the Vortex. We're gonna make 5 kinds of chicken wings today, seasoned with hot sauce from small axe peppers. And small axe peppers is a great story about a company supporting small community farms in urban areas all across the US. So Small Axe Peppers donate pepper seedlings to more than 120 community gardens. Then these community gardens grow these peppers, and then Small Axe Peppers buy them and make the hot sauces. We need to get a good fire going in the Weber kettle together with the Vortex, so here's how we do that. We're gonna fill a chimney starter 2/3 with some good charcoal briquettes. We're using Blue Hog. Then we're gonna light up a couple of fire starters and get the chimney going. When you can see flames at the top of the chimney starter, it's time to dump it into the Vortex and then put back the grates on the Weber kettle. Now we need to trim and season the chicken wings, so here's how we do that. We have a couple of pounds of organic chicken wings and we want to separate the tip, the flats, and the drums. You can throw away the tips, we won't use it. Then we want to season the wings generously with our award-winning Big Swede Barbecue Badass Bird Boost. Toss the wings so they get evenly coated with the seasoning. The chicken wings are trimmed and seasoned. The Weber kettle is ready with the Vortex, so now it's time to put the chicken wings on the grill. We're going to place all the chicken wings towards the outside of the Weber kettle in a circle. I like to put the thicker parts of the drums towards the heat. We're also going to add a couple of Bourbon Barrel Blocks to the grill from Smoke Your Bourbon to give it an extra layer of flavor. Then we're going to place the lid on the grill and open the vents to full. After 12 minutes, we're going to check on the wings, and then we're going to rotate the lid 90 degrees. After another 12 minutes, now it's time to flip the wings over and rotate the lid another 90 degrees. After another 12 minutes, it's time to open the lid and check on the wings again. And then we want to rotate the lid again 90 degrees. Now we're going to let the wings cook until they reach an inner temperature of about 200 degrees. Now we want to remove the wings and toss them with the Small Axe Pepper hot sauce. The first is called the Oakland, which is a California raisin hot sauce. The second hot sauce is called the Baltimore, and it's a habanero ginger hot sauce. Then we have the Atlanta, which of course, it's a Georgia peach hot sauce. Then we have the Texas, which is a tangy tamarindo hot sauce. And last but not least, we have Los Angeles, which is a habanero mango hot sauce. And then these Small Axe Pepper Vortex wings are ready to taste. And I think the only thing left to do is to try these Small Axe Peppers wings and see what they taste like. And it just smells amazing here. So we're gonna start with the Oakland hot sauce, which has California raisins. So here we go. Good heat flavor. A thicker sauce. I really like this one. The second we're gonna try is called the Baltimore, and it's a habanero ginger hot sauce. So let's try that one too. I love the color of it. And you can smell the ginger as well. Oh. Got a little bit of heat, but it's got a beautiful ginger taste. So if you like ginger, this is the hot sauce for you. I'm loving it. The third one we're gonna try is the Atlanta Georgia peach hot sauce. So let's grab a wing and see what this... Yeah. Ooh, got a nice heat to it, but you can really taste the peach as well. This is probably my favorite so far. Now we're moving up to a little bit more spiciness, and this is the Texas sauce, which is a tangy tamarindo. So I love the colors of it. Yeah. Good sweetness, but yeah, you can feel the heat is building up. I'm loving the flavor on this one. And last but not least, we got the Los Angeles, which is habanero mango. So let's close it out with this one. Oh, come on. These are all phenomenal hot sauces. They're for a great cause, and I hope you like this video. Happy grilling. That one was tasty too. And spicy.